Hello, discerning viewers, and welcome back to Hargai. Here, we don't just look at cars, we analyze their value as objects of design, technology, and ultimate luxury. For those of us who appreciate the finer things, the greatest luxury is often bandwidth. It's the ability to have one perfect object that does everything beautifully. And it appears the new benchmark has just been set. The 2026 Porsche Taycan Turismo has just won a very prestigious Car of the Year award, and it's a win for holistic, uncompromising excellence. This is the refreshed 2026 model, and the focus is on a seamless luxury experience. Yes, it has the performance figures to embarrass supercars. The Turbo GT offers a frankly unnecessary 1,019 horsepower. But the real story, the pro for someone who will live with this car, is the effortlessness of that power. It's the silent, instant, private jet thrust. The 800-volt architecture was already elite. Now it's even faster. We're talking 5 to 80% charge in as little as 19 minutes. That is a quick espresso. This is a car that respects your time. The single greatest pro is the new Porsche Active Ride. This is the feature that defines the car. For the performance-obsessed, it leans into corners, but for the luxury buyer, it erases bumps. It actively reads the road and counteracts imperfections, delivering a ride quality that rivals the most opulent, long-wheelbase sedans. This bandwidth is the ultimate luxury. It is a serene, silent limousine for your daily commute and a razor-sharp hypercar when you are on a mountain road, all in one. Let's discuss the cons, or rather the considerations. This level of bespoke engineering comes at a price that is, to put it lightly, exclusive. The top models are well into the $200,000 range. This is not a purchase, it's an acquisition. It is a statement of arrival. The second consideration is the interior. While built with surgical precision, it is extremely digital. It's an entire cockpit of glass screens and touch-sensitive controls. It is futuristic and clean, but it may lack the timeless warmth of knurled metal knobs and analog clocks. It's a modern luxury, which may not age as gracefully as classic tactile design. The final pro is the design itself. The Turismo body is a shooting brake. It's not a clumsy SUV or a predictable sedan. It is elegant, sophisticated, and frankly, more exclusive. It's stealth wealth. It's a car for those who don't need to shout. It's this blend of blistering technology and serene comfort that I find so compelling. If you also believe that true luxury is about having it all without compromise, show your support for this kind of analysis by hitting that like button. It truly helps us curate more of what you love. This Taycan Turismo won the award because it is, quite possibly, the first electric vehicle with zero compromises. It is the ultimate all-rounder. It is a hypercar, a luxury limousine, and a practical family wagon, all in one exquisite, beautifully crafted package. It defines the new best. Here at Hargai, we understand that value isn't just about the price tag. It's about the design, the engineering, and the feeling. We are here to celebrate the very best the world has to offer. If you believe life is too short for mediocrity, subscribe to Hargai. This is where you belong.